Hi everyone, welcome to this English learning video. In this video, we are going to learn nouns with or without articles. Here is the content of this English learning video. First, we are going to learn what are articles. Second, when do we use articles? The last one is what are nouns without articles? Part 1. What are articles? Articles are the words a, an, and the. They help us define whether a noun is specific or unspecific. Examples: a pencil, an orange, the sun. Articles a, an are used to refer to something unspecific. Article the is used to refer to something specific. Part 2.1. When do we use articles a and an? We use the indefinite articles a, an before singular countable nouns. Indefinite article means what people do not know. Examples: a jacket, an actor. We also use a, an to talk about people, things, or places we have not mentioned before. Example sentence: I want to buy a new dress. What is the difference between articles a and an? We use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Examples: a shirt, a designer, a man. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound, which are the letters a, e, I, o, u. Examples: an apple, an old man, an egg. Please note that we do not use a or an before plural or uncountable nouns. Example sentence: Number 1. He wears glasses. Number 2. I have short hair. Exercise time. You can refer to the exercise worksheet or download it from e-class. In this exercise, please underline the correct article. You have 1 minute to finish this task. The timer is at the top right-hand side. You may start now. Let's check the answer together. Number 1. He is a teacher. Number 2. He is an excellent teacher. Number 3. She owns a car. Number 4. She got an invitation. Number 5. I saw a bear at the zoo. Number 6. I saw an eagle at the zoo. Part 2.2. When do we use article the? We use the definite article the when there is only one of something. Definite article means what people do know. Examples: the earth, the star. We use the before a person, an object, or a place that we have already talked about. Example sentence: I have a cat. The cat is white. We use the to talk about a specific person or thing that our listeners or readers know which person, object, or place we are talking about. Example sentence: the singers dance so well. We use the before the names of hotels and museums. Examples: the Peninsula, the Hong Kong Museum of Art. We use the before the names of mountains, oceans, rivers, and deserts. Examples: the Alps, the River Thames. We use the before countries whose names are phrases or are in plural form. Examples: the United Kingdom, the Philippines. We use the with nouns relate to nature and the environment. Example sentence: the weather is not good today. Let's stay at home. We use the with certain types of transportation. Example sentence: Mr. Chen takes the bus to work every day. We use the with musical instruments. Example sentence: Yui loves playing the guitar. We use the with certain media. Example sentence: Grandma always listens to the radio. We use the with certain venues for entertainment. Example sentence: I watched a musical at the theater yesterday. We use the with directions and locations. Example sentence: We should take the path on the left. How to pronounce the article the? Normally, we pronounce the with a short sound like the, but When it comes before a vowel sound, we pronounce it as a long D. Examples: the house, the ice cream. Exercise time. Please choose the correct article a, an, or the. You have 1 minute to finish this task. You may start now. Let's check the answer together. Number 1. Do you know where I left the car keys? Number 2. I need a phone. Number 3. Nobody lives on the moon. Number 4. It wasn't an easy decision. Number 5. We will meet in the afternoon. Part 3. What are nouns without articles? We do not use articles before the names of people, streets, cities, continents, and countries. Example sentence. Yui is from Japan. She is a famous model in Asia. She visited Hong Kong last month. We do not use articles with means of transport. For example, car, bus, and train. Example sentence. I go to work by train. We do not use articles with plural nouns and uncountable nouns when we talk about things in general. Example sentence. Yui visits Hong Kong to meet designers who can give her advice on putting together a stylish look. We do not use articles with the names of meals. Example sentence. They all went out for lunch. Please note that we use an article before the names of meals when we are talking about specific meals. Example sentence. They all went out for the birthday lunch. We do not use articles before noon, night, and midnight when talking about the time of the day. Example sentence. At night, Yui met a famous photographer. Please note that we use the before morning. In the morning. We do not use articles before the words bed, church, home, hospital, prison, school, and university when we talk about the functions but not the names of these places. Example sentence: Ken graduated from university 5 years ago. We do not use articles before the names of parks, squares, lakes, and mountains. Example sentence: I want to go to Ocean Park next week. We do not use articles with the words space and nature. Example sentence: I believe that I can walk in space one day. We do not use articles with days and months. Example sentence: The show will be held in August. We do not use articles with the words TV and television. Example sentence: They love watching television. We do not use articles with certain illnesses. Example sentence: Mary has cancer, so she needs to stay in hospital. Exercise time. Please choose the correct article a, an, or the. If no article is needed, put a cross on it. You have 1 minute to finish this task. You may start now. Let's check the answer together. Number 1. We need to walk south. Number 2. This is the best day ever. Number 3. I will see you tomorrow. Number 4. John used to live in California. Number 5. I only have an hour for dinner. Exercise time, part 2. Please choose the correct article a, an, or the. If no article is needed, put a cross on it. You now have 1 minute to finish this task. You may start now. Let's check the answer together. Number 1. I saw bears in the zoo. Number 2. Water is an important resource. Number 3. He had a little difficulty with his homework. Number 4. Dr. Smith visits schools to educate students on AIDS. Number 5. He lives in the United States. Quick review. We use the indefinite articles a and an before singular countable nouns. We use a before words that start with a consonant sound. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound. We use the definite article the when there is only one of something, and an object that we have already thought about or known. We do not use articles before the names of people, streets, cities, continents, and countries. With means of transport, with plural and uncountable nouns, before meals, before the words noon, night, midnight, bed, church, home, hospital, prison, school, and university, etc. This is the end of this English learning video. Thank you very much. Please remember to finish your homework. See you in the next video.